Dr. Jeff Raleigh from Greatwood Dental Assisting Program. We have some young students here in our program who want to learn about how we do crown preps and what techniques we use in terms of scanning impressions, and we do digital scanning. So let me sort of give you a little brief overview. This is our method scanner that we teach the students how to scan patients for crowns, partials, dentures, impressions for night guards, and also for implants. So we restore implants here as well, and we teach the students different techniques we do in terms of new technology. These are items that they may not learn in other schools, so we are happy to share this with them, and so this is what we do at the school. So look us up at Greatwood Dental Assisting Program, and we will send some more videos soon. Thank you.